Interested in learning about the stock market? Read on. Stock market analysts often use terms that are confusing to people who aren't familiar with the stock market. This might make you think that you aren't smart enough to invest in the stock market. This isn't true, however. If you educate yourself about the stock market, you can learn to invest and make money. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. One account you should have is a high-bearing account containing at least 6 months' salary. The money can help you get by financially while you deal with sudden events such as losing your job or facing large medical expenses. Adjust your margin of safety based on the reputation, profitability, and size of a particular company. While businesses like Google or Johnson & Johnson are hardy and tend to stick around, there are certain companies that may do very well for a while before crashing. Keep this in mind when selecting stocks. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind, you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. Now that you've watched this video and learned a little bit about the stock market, you should feel a lot more confident about your ability to invest. The stock market isn't as complicated as you might have thought before watching this video. Use the tips you just learned, in order to help you make wise investments. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.